Keto double chocolate chip cookies. So with 1 cup of keto wheat flour, add half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Whisk with your magic whisk. Whisk it good. Whisking, whisking, whisker, and keep on whisking, whisk it! Add aside. Stick of butter. Ooh, it's melting. Ooh, wow. Use the rest cup of lotion. Out on there. Add the yolk too, and the vanilla. Mix it, keep on mixing, mix it. Add the dry ingredients. Mix. There is no sugar to add in chocolate chips. Sit down, mix together, preheat your oven to 350. Scoop on our butter to the cookie sheet. Onto the cookie sheet. Take a cookie scoop. I can scoop it. I can scoop it. Oh no. Once they're on the cookie sheet, bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. After you have it, allow them to cool. Time to enjoy. Which one's an Ellie size? This one's an Ellie size. Mommy, is this one an Ellie size?
Yes.
Delicious. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on Thursday for our next crafty kitchen.